Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is set it up so that only authorized pages should be able to be viewed. And we do that through what's called a guard. What do you mean? Well, we guard routes, right? So the list should only be allowed if you're logged in. This edit a student ID should only be allowed if you're logged in. Add student only allowed if you're logged in. Edit student only allowed if okay, good, right? By redirection, this automatically happens to, and everybody's going to be redirecting to login. Okay. So let's set up the guard. It's actually really simple. So let's go do it now. We got to actually generate it. So let's go to ng generate, and we're going to generate a guard, and we're going to call it an off guard or logged in guard. I'm going to use off guard. Be pretty simple. We want can activate because we're talking about routes. And that's that. I just want to set up ng serve. Boop. Okay. We don't need this. I'm sorry. Anyway, now we have our auth guard. Yay! All right. So what are we going to do here? Is can we activate this route? How do we know we can activate a route? Very, very simply. Okay. So what we're going to do is go back to our student list component. We're going to just grab this and get rid of it. Right. We're going to get rid of that too. Okay. We won't need it anymore in there. But we're going to bring it in back into our auth guard. And we're going to put it here. Right? And then sessions logged in. We're going to get rid of this. We'll come back to this. We'll put this in another place. True. If it is in session storage, return true. It is okay. Else, don't remember how to route out. Need to import a guard. No, it can return false. Let me actually cheat. Okay. Apologize. I do need to cheat. I'm going to create a new window and I'm going to look at what I did in another class. So pretty simple. Impap. Sorry. I called it logged in guard there. There it is. I injected a route. There we go. Boom. That's all I did. Sorry. Every once in a while I do need to refer back to stuff. You're like, wait, what? There we go. All right. So let's look at what happens. If the user's in session storage, we're going to return true. Otherwise, we're going to return, wait, what? We're essentially going to force you to go to login. That's it. So we're going to route to a URL tree, and the only thing in my URL tree is login. So we're going to force you to go to login. And you go, wait, what? That's it. And that's it. Okay. Now I want to just double check a couple other things in the other one while we're at it. Did I have to set this up in config or not? Sorry. Where is it? There it is. Nope. Yep. So I just put the guard in there. All right. All right. Am I looking at the right place? Nope. Okay. Go back to my student. Off guard was the one I used. Okay, great. So now that we have a guard, and there's your guard. If the user's in session storage, you can activate. Great. That means you can go to the route. Otherwise, we're going to inject a router. We're going to create a URL tray. We're going to send you to log in. Ta-da. So let's go to route. I'm only do it for one because this is going to be easier to do it for one. say can activate. Off guard. I'm going to double check the other one just to make sure that it is in fact. Yeah. I think I actually named something wrong. Let me just check it. Yeah, I did do it wrong. Let me just show you this. Okay, I just did it wrong. You need to specify a list of authorization guards. So there you go. Boom. Can activate off guard. And now I've done nothing to student ID. I've done nothing to add student. I've done nothing to edit student. Yes. But by default, I can't log in. Now I'm going to leave it off of add student briefly. I actually want it to be there, but I'm going to add it off. I'm going to leave it off and I'm going to show you why. Okay. So go to student detail, close the browser. That logs me out, of course. Here we go. Automatically sends me there. If I go to add student, I can go to add student. Anything else? No bueno, right? And the second I go and put this on add student, sorry, I can't find it. Yep, can't find it. Add, there we go. No, I put it on there. Oh, this is add employee. Can we close this? Yeah, we can close that. We're gonna put it back here. And it's off guard, not logged in guard. Pink. And the second we have that, it doesn't let us go there either. However, what's this? Pink. Now we're here. Note the list of students is going to be a problem until we fix it. Yes, but we can fix that separately. And we're going to do that in ginit. Yes. And you're like, wait, what? Let me show you. So we're going to go to student lists, component. Actually, we're not. We're going to go to the, apologize. I am a little bit, well, let me actually stop the recording.